Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, TCL device. I have in front of me TCL Tab 10, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To improve battery life on this TCL Tab 10, you need to open the control panel, and firstly you need to disable all unnecessary features. For example, disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable location services if you don't need maps right now. Oops. Click on it and click close. Then disable all you don't need. Disable nearby share, disable screen recorder if you record on screen. And of course you need to reduce the screen brightness because you have a big screen and it consumes a lot of battery power. Cool. Then we need to open the settings application, scroll down, find here battery settings, open Smart Manager, find your battery, and click normal saving mode. And cool, in normal saving mode our device will live longer, it will live for several hours longer, but you can enable the super saving mode. In this mode your device will live several days if you have the full battery. In this mode, of course, you can use only 3 applications, but in this mode your device will live really long. To close this mode, click on the close button in the right top corner. And if you wanna disable the battery saver mode, you need to open the Smart Manager again and disable the normal saving mode too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.